In honor of Earth Day, let's explore some fun Earth-themed yoga together. First, can we breathe in that warm sunshine all the way up over our heads? And as the sun warms the earth, the rain cools it down. Can you slowly melt all the way down to the ground? And let's imagine that we're a tiny seed in the earth, and we're going to grow up, 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 up into a tall and beautiful tree. Good. Can you stand on one foot and balance like a tree? Ooh, excellent, everyone. Shall we set that foot down and try the other foot? Okay, let's pick up the foot and balance together. Good. It's okay if you're wibbly wobbly. Sometimes trees sway in the wind, don't they? Good. And let's set that foot down. Excellent. Now can you dive forward, all the way forward, and touch the earth with your fingertips? Good. And let's bend our knees now and roll up slowly through our spine as we stand tall in our strong mountain pose. Great job, everyone. Let's breathe in that warm sunshine together one more time. Ooh, and bring our hands down in front of our heart. And we'll say namaste to the earth. Thank you, Earth. Happy Earth Day, everyone.